Stayman is one of the first conventions most bridge players learn. But it is also one of the easiest conventions to misunderstand. This is the first video in a 3-part mini-series. In this video, we cover the core lesson, how Stayman works after partner opens one no-trump, how responder invites or bids game, and when Stayman is not the right tool. In the next video, we will look at garbage Stayman and weak hands. And in the third video, we will look at 5-4 major hands, a preview of Smolen, and some advanced agreement-dependent follow-ups. Partner opens one no-trump. You have enough strength for game. The obvious game might be 3 no-trump, but look at the 2 hands. Together, you have 8 hearts. That major suit fit can make 4 hearts a better contract than 3 no-trump. This is exactly why Stayman exists. Stayman helps responder ask one simple question. Partner, do you have a 4-card major? Before we start, here are the agreements for this lesson. 1 no-trump shows 15 to 17 high card points, balanced. The opponents are silent. 2 clubs by responder is Stayman. And when opener has both 4-card majors, opener shows hearts first. This is a common agreement, but like every convention, it must be discussed with partner. What Stayman asks. 1 no-trump, responder bids 2 clubs. This does not show clubs. It is artificial. It asks opener, do you have a 4-card major? That is the whole first idea. Stayman is not a club bid. Stayman is a question. Opener has only 3 basic answers. 2 diamonds says, I do not have a 4-card major. 2 hearts says, I have 4 hearts. 2 spades says, I have 4 spades. With both majors in our agreement, opener bids 2 hearts first. The first Stayman bid asks the question, but the second bid is where responder tells the story. With 8 or 9 high card points, responder invites game. With 10 or more high card points, responder forces to game. If a major fit is found, responder raises the major. If no major fit is found, responder goes back to no trump. So remember this. The first bid asks. The second bid tells the level. Here is responder's hand. Responder has 10 high card points and 4 spades. Partner opens 1 no-trump. Responder knows the partnership belongs in game, but responder does not yet know which game. So responder bids 2 clubs, Stayman. Opener answers 2 spades. Now the fit is found. Responder has 4 spades. Opener has 4 spades. That is an 8-card major suit fit. With game-going values, responder bids 4 spades, not 3 spades, 4 spades. Now use the same responder hand. Responder still has 10 high card points and 4 spades. Responder still starts with Stayman, but this time opener answers 2 diamonds. That means opener has no 4-card major. No spade fit has been found. Responder still has enough for game. So responder bids 3 no-trump. The Stayman search did its job. It looked for a major fit. There was none. Now the partnership plays the no-trump game. This is one of the most important points in the whole lesson. Responder has 10 high card points and 4 spades. Partner opens 1 no-trump. Responder bids Stayman. Opener has both majors, so opener shows hearts first. Responder does not raise hearts. Responder bids 3 no-trump. Now opener must think. Why did responder use Stayman? Responder was not interested in hearts. so responder is very likely interested in spades. And opener has 4 spades, so opener should not lazily pass 3 no trump. Opener can correct to 4 spades. 4 spades may be the right contract. If this bridge lesson is useful to you, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. That really helps me keep making more lessons like this. Now responder has 8 high card points. This is not enough to force game, but responder has both majors and wants to invite. Responder bids 2 clubs Stayman. Opener answers 2 spades. The spade fit is found. With invitational values, responder raises to 3 spades. 3 spades says, "Partner, we have a fit. I am interested in game. Please bid 4 spades if you like your hand." With a minimum, opener can pass. With a maximum or a very suitable hand, opener can bid game. Here, responder has 8 high card points and 4 hearts. Responder bids Stayman. Opener answers 2 diamonds. No 4-card major, so there is no heart fit. Responder still has invitational values. The correct rebid is 2 no trump. 2 no trump after Stayman says, "Partner, we did not find a major suit fit, but I still invite game." With a minimum 1 no trump opening, opener can pass. With a maximum, opener can bid 3 no trump. Here, responder has 9 high card points and 4 hearts. Responder uses Stayman, hoping to find a heart fit. Opener answers 2 spades. In our agreement, opener would show hearts first with both majors, so opener does not have 4 hearts. Responder should not bid hearts. Responder should not invent a new suit. Responder simply bids 2 no trump. That says, "Partner, I had invitational strength, but your major was not my fit." Again, the second bid tells the level. Now we can state the core rule. Use Stayman when partner opens 1 no trump, you have at least 1 4-card major, and you have invitational or game-going values. But there is one more condition. You must know your second bid. When not to use Stayman. First, do not use Stayman just because you have enough points. This responder has 10 high card points, but no 4-card major. There is no major suit fit to search for, so responder should not bid Stayman. Responder simply bids 3 no trump. Stayman is not a general "I have points" bid. It asks for a major. If you do not have a major to look for, you usually do not need the question. Second, do not use Stayman with 1 5-card major and no 4-card side major. This hand has 5 spades but no 4-card hearts. If you play Jacobi transfers, this is a transfer hand, not a Stayman hand. A transfer shows your real long suit directly. So, with 1 5-card major only, use your transfer methods if they are available. That is a separate topic, but the warning belongs here. Third, do not use Stayman with a weak hand unless you can handle every response. This hand has 4 hearts, but only 6 high card points. Suppose responder bids Stayman and opener answers 2 spades. Now what? Responder cannot pass comfortably. That could be a 4-2 spade fit. Responder cannot bid 2 no trump. 2 no trump after Stayman is invitational, and opener may even bid game. So this is not a Stayman hand. Weak Stayman exists, but it is an exception, not the core rule. We will cover that in the next video. Fourth, do not use Stayman automatically with every flat hand. This responder has 10 high card points and 4 hearts. So Stayman is possible. But the hand is 4-3-3-3. No shortness, no obvious roughing value. With this kind of flat hand, many players simply bid 3 no trump. That does not mean Stayman is impossible. It means you should think. Stayman is strongest when finding a major suit fit may create extra tricks. Flat hands do not always gain as much from a trump suit. So this is a judgment call, not an automatic rule. Let's put the lesson into one decision tree. Partner opens 1 no trump. Do you have a 4-card major? If not, you usually do not use Stayman. If yes, ask about strength. With 8 or 9 high card points, use Stayman and then invite. With 10 or more high card points, use Stayman and then bid game. If a fit is found, raise the major. If no fit is found, go back to no trump. And if you are weak, do not improvise. Weak Stayman needs a safe escape plan. That is the next lesson. In the next video, we will look at the exception that confuses many players. Garbage Stayman. That is when a very weak hand may still use Stayman, not to reach game, but to escape from 1 no trump. To practice Stayman, look for the Stayman practice videos on my channel. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. It helps the channel reach more bridge players. And if you want more clear bridge lessons and practice hands, subscribe to Bridge Lab. I'll see you in the next lesson.